Is it science or an atheist religious belief? This is the new series in which we simply look at the facts and determine if it is science or an atheist religious belief. In this video, we're going to take a look at what I call the biggest lie of atheism, and obviously the pink elephant in the room. Atheists claim that they are not a religion, that they simply look at the empirical data and see where it leads. Okay, in our pursuit of the truth, let's look at the simple empirical data surrounding atheism, and I'll try to keep it short. Again, let's look at the empirical facts. Number one, atheist is defined as the belief, or as they say, the lack of belief in gods or gods. Honestly, it doesn't matter because both statements are pretty much the same thing. When it comes down to the nitty-gritty, it's all wordplay to them. Regardless of what side you land on the definition of atheism, one thing is sure, is that it centers on God. Remove God from the atheist definition, and honestly, what do you have? Nothing. People that hold a disbelief or don't believe in something. Number two, since it centers on God or the existence of God or gods, and God or gods is considered an absolute concept, which means he cannot be proven or disproven according to science, atheist, therefore, is a faith-based belief system. This is why atheists try to play with the definition of atheism in order to get away from the fact, or try to get away from that fact, and put the onus of proof on the believer in God. Now let's look at atheism from a different angle, based on those cold hard facts that we mentioned above. And we see that atheism is a faith-based belief system centering on God. No one can disagree with that. Now let's take this discussion out of the heated area between theism and atheism and ask the common man on the street. Better yet, let's ask AI or Google or whatever the bare bones questions of what word best describes a faith-based belief system centering on God. If you ask anyone on the street or Google or whatever, and the answer will come back, oh, wait a minute. No. Let's read it word for word from Google itself. Google says a faith-based belief system centering on God is a structured set of beliefs, practices, and moral teachings that organize around a divine being or beings. Such systems are considered, get a hold of this, religion, because they combine personal and communal faith, keyword there is faith, with organized practices, again, key phrase there, organized practices, sacred texts, and often a moral code derived from divine authority. Yep, you heard it correctly. Atheism fits the textbook definition of a religion. But wait a second. Atheists will object and claim, we have no worship of a divine being and don't have a personal or communal faith with organized practices. Well, my friends, that's what the series of videos are all about. Exposing the religious beliefs and practices of atheism and their deceptive presentation of science. I hope you will join us on this expose of the atheist religion. Until next time, shalom.